Cleaning the inside of your windshield can be tricky. The key to clean and streak-free glass, especially on your windshield, in my experience, is a 2-towel system. One to clean and the other to dry and buff. And a lot of times that last step of drying and buffing with a microfiber cloth is what gets missed, and then you're left with a bunch of haziness and streakiness that's really hard to see through at night or in certain conditions while you're driving. And we don't want that. So to start by cleaning, I like to use either spray away glass cleaner, or you can also use 70% isopropyl alcohol. Now, a quick tip with the alcohol here, I like to remove the cap like so, and then just grab a spray nozzle from a bottle. Place this in the bottle like so. They actually thread right on the top, and then you can use this as a sprayer too. So one quick tip before we get cleaning, I just like to place an old bath towel across the dash. Not only does this save anything from getting wet, but it makes for an easy cleanup. So to start the cleaning process, just grab your cleaner of choice here, spray it on the windshield. Now, obviously you're gonna kind of have to do it by section just because I can't quite reach all the way over there. So I'll do the passenger side first. Grab your microfiber towel here and just start to go straight up and straight down on the glass. Now, I do suggest to flip over the microfiber towel every once in a while just because you want a nice side that's gonna grab the gunk and grime off of the glass. So just kind of switch that as you go through. Now, it can be a little tricky to kind of get this bottom edge here. I kind of like to place my fingers at that edge and just push down there. Usually this will get that kind of easy. Just kind of squeeze your fingers down there. Now, I kind of finished this area right to here, and I'm just noticing there's a few areas. Now, obviously the outside of the window needs to be cleaned as well, and I'll do that quick before I'm done. But I'm just gonna clean this once more just to be safe because there was a few smudges that I kind of noticed, and I'm here, so let's just get her done. Now, something I also suggest considering when you're doing this job is the temperature outside and is it super sunny. Now, today it's about 64-ish degrees with clouds in the sky, which is kind of the perfect time to do this because the glass itself won't be super hot. If the glass gets really hot and you spray cleaner on there, it's gonna dry instantly before you even can wipe it with your towel, making the cleaning process that much harder. You can also do this in the shade or your garage as well. Just make sure there's no direct sunlight beating down on the glass. So now that I'm done cleaning, it's time for the most important step, and that is to come through with a dry and clean microfiber towel and buff the entire windshield. This is gonna take care of any streaks or maybe any sort of grime that might be left behind from the initial cleaning and leave your glass looking great. I like to just start in the corner here, go straight up and straight down. Now, sometimes you might feel a little bit of friction on the microfiber towel, and that's honestly why I like using these towels, because most likely that's a smudge, streak, or maybe even a little grime that's left behind. So then what I'll do is just give it a quick little buff there. This should grab that right off the surface. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, there's not a great way to contort your body to clean the inside of the windshield. And it can be tricky, so just kind of find what works for you. Sometimes even standing outside of the vehicle and pushing your hand kind of down, straight up and down like this can work, especially by the driver's side here, just because I found the steering wheel is very hard to work around. So as long as I'm here cleaning the inside of the windshield, I'm also gonna get the rear view mirror. Just grab the alcohol, microfiber towel. This time though, I'm gonna spray it directly on the towel. Whew. That looks as good as new right there. You can see me. And there you have it, a nice clean inside windshield. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll help you clean that up.